Hey guys, if you want to get this and you don't know how to open it, so you can, what the, doesn't say here, but okay. So you just see it like this, and then you just look at this part because it's bigger of all of them. So you just like pull it, and now it opens. And then you see this tab, take it off, see, it's a box, and it won't make it go. It's not enough to press or push. So you see the top and you see this little circle in there. Go here, push as hard as you can till it will fall out like this. And then you go over here and you, if you are just a kid and you don't know how to open this and it's really hard, ask our parents because this is really hard. So you hold here, put this part over here, and then you press. It's too hard for me, so I'm gonna ask my dad. And then when it's inside, it's supposed to look like this. And then we'll see there is a hole in here and the bullets in here. And then we'll look at this. Enjoy. And you're not able to close it again. Just letting you know. If you turn it will pour everywhere. If you turn it a little bit, and then it will look like a little, and then it will close. But if you turn it again on the front, then it will fall in. So this is how you do it. Now it's not able to be closed.
En ég sá hvernig að það viðbrögðin og margfeldið
Now it's just leaking in the wall.
Þessi tvo hópa, sérstaklega róttæka hópa hér frá búsvæðarbyltingunni og svona. En síðan við senda bara á til dæmis Facebook-síðu alþjóðlega húmanistaflokksins og þá hafa þeir sendið í einhverja garða og þar hafa verið alveg fullt af fólki sem er að senda áfram